Hello everyone, my name is Khatana and I'm a practicing High Court lawyer. In today's vlog, we are going to discuss that how can you adopt a child in Pakistan. And there are three stages that you need to consider and the procedure that you need to follow if you would like to adopt a kid in Pakistan. Before I explain that to you in detail, I would request you to kindly like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you would like to adopt a kid in Pakistan, then you will have to divide it into three steps. First is pre-adoption stage, second is adoption stage, and the third is post-adoption stage. So in pre-adoption stage, what you have to do is that you need to look for a family or parents who are willing to give their kid to you. Or secondly, you will have to go to the orphanage center or maybe adoption center. If you would like to adopt a kid in Pakistan, then you need to understand that you cannot adopt any kid from orphanage or maybe from adoption centers, because I have personally spoken to so many adoption centers in Pakistan and they have clearly stated that they don't have a policy that they can give their kids to someone else and they take care of those kids on their own. Secondly, you need to realize that when you are going out to adopt a kid, you are not going to find so many options in Pakistan. But one option which is on the top is ED Center, and that is Bilkis ED Foundation. You can go there and request them to adopt a kid. But you will have to file an application, and for that there is certain criteria that you will have to fulfill. And that criteria is that you are married for more than 10 years and you have a doctor certificate that shows that you cannot produce kids, and there are other aspects as well. However, these are the two major requirements that you need to fulfill, and if you fulfill these requirements, you can file your documents, your application, and then they are going to call you if they can arrange a kid for you for adoption. But there are not many options in Pakistan. Secondly, if you are adopting a kid from a family, then you need to understand that before adoption you need to get all his medical tests done from the hospital, because it is something which comes under the pre-adoption stage, and this is something you need to do for your own and for the safety of the kid. So when you are adopting the kid, you will have to file a declaratory suit requesting the court to seize the rights of the former parents and give all the rights and give all the parental rights to the existing parents who are adopting that kid. So while you are adopting, you need to understand that you also have to change his record from the Nadra. You will have to get his new ID card, you will have to get his new birth certificate, because this is how you will be able to give your name to that kid. During this process, you might find some people who are going to suggest you that you can adopt a kid and you can get his document made from the authority like Nadra, and you can put your name and tell that this was our kid and we have give birth to this kid. However, if the real situation is that the kid belongs to someone else, so even if you make his documents, later on in life, if the real parents come back, they can always claim their kid. So I would suggest that if you get such advice, you should not follow that, but you should get a proper declaratory suit from the court